Hello dear students, in this video we're gonna talk about the long U sound. U. Yes, that's right. And this is the phonetic sample. In some dictionaries they put colon here, okay? So that's both okay. Long U sound. Very well. To make U sound, make your mouth shape like if you were saying you, alright? So, here we go. Long U sound. U. U, blue. You, blue. You, drew. You, drew. You, two. You, two. You, cool. You, cool. You, fuel. You, fuel. You, rude. You, blue, drew, two, cool, fuel, rude. Again. You, blue, drew, two, cool, fuel, and rude. So the general rule here, if we have double O in a word, we usually suggest that this double O pronounced as oo, although in some words it's different. So look at the colored letters in this video, like in the word cool and two and drew. You see that we have EW and double O. So usually when we have these parts in a word, in any word, usually we suggest, again I say, we suggest that the sound is long U sound in many words. Thank you for watching.